Every link you need will be on the description of this video. So if you tap on the first link, it's going to bring you to this page. Tap on Add to Brave, and if you haven't set Mrs. Browser, Kiwi Browser, or any browser you use for testnet and basically AirDrop as your default, you have to copy the link and paste it on a browser that allows you to install extension. So once you tap on it, tap on Start Testnet, and you're going to get this page. On this page, you can easily complete some tasks, but first you have to connect your wallet. So tap on Connect Wallet and connect this particular one. Mind you, you must have created an account on this. After you add it to Brave, you'll be required to create an account. Create an account with the code under the video as well. So tap on Install, and it is going to install another extension, this particular one. So tap on Add to Brave, and it is going to be installed directly to your device, or if you are using your PC, it is going to be installed directly to your PC as well. So now once you're done, tap on Login with X and connect your Twitter account. So be sure to follow them. And once you're done with this one, you have to tap on Claim Point. Basically, I've touched 2 links already. The first is where you add the first extension, the second is where you add the second extension. So once you're done with this, you may see this and it might take a long time. Just ignore it, just check back later. So the third link is going to bring you to this page. This is where you access your account. So once you get to this page, basically all you have to do is to leave this tab open on your device and you're going to end. But briefly, let me just tell you how to get your referral code. And mind you, if there's any other thing that you need to know concerning this particular AirDrop, it's going to be communicated on the WhatsApp group. So if you're not on the WhatsApp group, use the link in the description to join the WhatsApp group as well. So if you want to get your referral, just tap on referrals by the left of the screen and tap on post your referral code on X, or you can copy it from the top of the screen, but I prefer this method, so I just share it to X and copy referral code as well. So basically that is all you have to know for now. Like I said, if there is any other thing that needs to be communicated, it is going to be shared to the WhatsApp group. So if you are not on the group, be sure to join the WhatsApp group now. And basically, do not forget that this is still very new. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.